Today we're going to be making cashew chicken. Okay, what I've got in this bowl is I've got about a large chicken breast, boneless chicken breast, and I've got it sliced thin. And I put 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, and a tablespoon of soy sauce, and stirred it together. And now we're going to go ahead, and there are 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in our pan here. And we're going to go ahead and saute this till it's, stir fry it till it's almost done, and we're going to take it out. Our chicken's turned white, so that's why we want it. We're going to take it out. It's not done yet, but almost. We'll take it out and set it aside. Okay, I've added another tablespoon of oil. I'm going to go ahead and add, it's about 1.5 cups of snow peas. Throw that in there. And I've got about 1/2 red bell pepper. And I got 4 scallions. Just drop that in there. And we're going to stir this all together. And I've got 1 bag of broccoli, frozen broccoli, and I've defrosted it. We're going to go ahead and add that. Okay. While all this is cooking together, we're going to go ahead and make our sauce here. So I've got 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. And then I have 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce in here. And to that, I've got some sesame oil. I'm just going to add about 1/2 teaspoon of that to here. And I'm going to add some ground ginger. I'm going to do 1/2 teaspoon of that. We'll use 2 of that. The other one's wet, so that makes 2 1/4 teaspoons makes 1/2. And we're going to get that a little stir. Come back and stir our veggies. And I've got a couple of cloves of minced garlic. I'm going to kind of throw that in there. Our vegetables. And I've got 1 can of sliced water chestnut. I'm going to add that. Add our chicken back in. That little stir, and our sauce. And I'm going to add, I'm going to add about 1 cup of chicken broth here too. In here, there we go. I'm just going to let that cook a minute. And I'm just going to let that cook a few minutes. I'm going to go ahead and add some red pepper flakes, probably about 1/2 teaspoon. And then I made a slurry, and I'm going to go ahead and add that to thicken up the sauce. And then to that, I'm going to go ahead and add about, I've got, it says it's 2.5 ounces of roasted cashews. And so I'm going to go ahead and add that. Give it a little stir. And then we're going to serve this up over some rice. It's extremely hot. I always say that, don't I? This is very good. This is my version of cashew chicken. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Thank you and come again.